Westermans here with a 3-axis 2-ton welding positioner. Also in stock is 3-ton and 5-ton. Bending control and foot control. Obviously the machine's variable speed on the table. Obviously quite low to the ground on these, a lot lower than your standard positioner, so your working height is low to the ground. 3-axis come in very handy. Like I say, we have various other positioners in stock, both 3-axis and the conventional 2-axis, which are again very popular, both new and used. Also a range of welding machines and sub-arc, column booms, rotators, to name just a few. More details available on this and others on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.